Having trouble sending WhatsApp voice messages on your iPhone? Could be a network issue or app glitch. In this video, I'll walk you through how to fix the problem and start sending voice messages again. Let's jump right in. Before moving on, make sure your Wi-Fi or internet connection is stable. Turn on and off airplane mode. Clean your iPhone microphone port with soft brush. Now try these advanced solutions. Solution 1. Clear WhatsApp cache. Go to the settings again. Then tap on General. Next, tap on iPhone storage. Now scroll down and find the WhatsApp app. Next, tap on WhatsApp. Then tap Offload. And again, tap Offload. After that, tap Reinstall it. Now go to the WhatsApp app and try to open it again. If you still have the same issue, then follow the next solution. Solution 2. Update your WhatsApp app. Go to the App Store. Tap on the search icon from the below. Type WhatsApp. Now find the WhatsApp Messenger and tap on it. If you see update option available there, then update the app. Solution 3. Reset network settings. Open Settings, tap General. Scroll down, then tap Transfer Reset iPhone. After that, tap Reset. Now tap Reset Network Settings. Then enter the passcode of your iPhone if it wants. Tap Reset Network Settings again. After the resetting network, go ahead and check whether your problem is solved or not. Hope your issue is resolved now. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tech tips and solutions. Have any questions or suggestions for future videos? Leave them in the comments. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.